ake silungisele ngoba ngekwazi ukulinda. Ngibona le nkosazana lena ekuthiwa ubani ukhumbuzo uTshaveni le ngathi uminister kwihhovisi kaRamaphosa. Naye impela isivezile akalayo ngokuthi uJacob Zuma uvakashele ama-Guptas noma uvele enama-Guptas. Lalelani labantu ba-ANC. Ukube bengena mhlawumbe honorable. Kube mhlawumbe ngumuntu owasebenzisa ulimi noma kanjani. Yazi benzothini kumina? Shut up. Anina moral authority nina kwa-ANC. You complain about anybody who's doing anything wrong in the society. Because you have messed up this country. Ningomasela number one. You have messed up this country to the core. Omasipala babolile kuyimanje kuntshontsha nina. Abantu amanamanzi nibulala amanzi nafaka ama-vaterkari ukuthi nifaka ama-invoice kugwilile nina. Nina kuyimanzi zamanzi nayithatha nazakhela imizi emihle. Ihlela manje ama-societies awanamanzi. Kubolile amakliniki, kubolile ibhedlela, kubolile ama-police station, kubolile imigwaqo, kubolile amalokishi, kubolile nanabantu ngenxa ye-poverty nehanga yokungabi namsebenzi. Because of you, ANC. Emahhovisi kahulumeni niyuza abafazi babantu, nalala nengane zabantu, nalala nengodosi zabantu, nalalana ngisho nodwa. Ngendlela engenama-values ngayo ka-ANC. So, how dare are you? You even try ukuthi niveze njengabantu abafuna ukuthi bebabaze mhlawumbe izenze ingalungile society after all this mess we have done ANC. Yet they're still doing. Ungahamba uyofunda ama-auditor general reports ngokuhlukana kwabo ayinqaba. Read those reports uzokwazi ukuthi ingakanani ama-irregular expenditures. La nithethe khona amathenda niwafumbe ko-comrade abanye ngaphandle ukuthi bequalify nawo amathenda ngaphandle ukuthi ahanjiswe ngendlela esemthethweni. Ngoba lifuna ukutshontsha. Kubona iy'kole gijimindle emagcekeni. Idamu kwephethukile. Ayikho into engabolile ngenxa yenu ANC. We can't have an ANC person now trying to claim certain high moral standard. You have ANC, you have no moral authority to complain about any bad behavior in the society. Because it's ngamasela. Anhloniphi abafazi babantu, anhloniphi ingodusi zabantu, anhloniphi abantu abadala, anhloniphi abantu abancane, nibahlaza ngisho ey'khungweni kahulumeni. You don't respect anybody. You don't even respect your own skin. So how Sobanana now trying now to be holier than thou? If you are ANC, shut up. You have no moral authority to complain about anything in the society. Njalo nina, manifuna ukuyiveza ngathi konke ngcono ngani. Ngizosebenzisa ngathi khona isimilo ninaso, anasimilo nina. Ngizosebenzisa igama likaMsholozi. Kube sathi hayi uMsholozi ke uyena ongcolile nje impela thina singcwele. Masala ndini. Masala ndini. Ngikwazi nina manje ukukhomplela ngayo. You have no moral authority in the ANC to complain about anything. Kuyimanje niholo president onofazi okuphathekayo phala dollars in the sofa. Where's your moral there? Where's your moral authority? Why you are still defending someone who have hidden dollars in the sofa and usahleli office president and defending him? So where's your high moral standard there? And ngizokhuluma ngosuma ekhaya ngena evidence ngayo ngaphandle kwama-Ramazondo rhetorics of state capture. A fallacy. We know thina ngoba la sasadlule encwadini nasemakhanda straight state capture. Fekusho ukuthi 3 arms of the state. Ngoba state is made of 3 arms. The executive, the judiciary and the legislature. If you say the state is captured, those 3 arms must be captured. Which means the Guptas should have captured the judiciary. Ama-judge wonke abezwa ngama-Guptas. Which means the executive fangabe izwe ngama-Guptas yonke. Which means even ne-parliament fangabe tshela ama-Guptas what to do for you to say there's a state capture. The only thing you have is Ramazondo state capture rhetoric. Those poems. Ongeningakwazi waprova namanje enkantolo. And if uZondo wena somewhere sitting, Zondo thatha ipen nephepha uthatha ama-note, funda kumadlanga. Just learn from Madlanga Commission. Yini Commission. Your waste that you did, which was called the commission, cannot arrest people, cannot provide evidence. But my poems against Zuma, and you treated them as evidence. Bugumadang, Banga Pangato Keto Red, Banga Pangato Omohos Red, but what you about the Red themselves in Yab, but you about the Red themselves in Madlanga Commission. Lost on the way, no Palela, this state capture a fallacy. It's useless. Wasted billion of rand for nonsense that was there. So if we don't do Sapila, around Madlanga Commission to learn what is a commission of inquiry into something. Not that waste he did. Not that nonsense he did. And you imagine in listen, as far as we stand here, there is nothing wrong proven against the Cookers. We are not going to co-opt us into that fallacy. See, to subscriber, Nalama fake moral values. You can shout as much as you can, as loud as you can, about the so-called state capture. We know there was no state capture. Those 3 arms of the state were never captured. You have not even proven with 1 arm, the executive, directly, it was captured. How much more about the judiciary and the legislature? It has not been captured to formulate something that could be called a state capture. So the ANC people, if I was not respectful enough, I was going to say, shut up. You have no moral authority to complain about any wrongdoing of anybody in the society. Inina oma seller number 1, inina oma rapist number 1, inina ma liars number 1. I need a sellout number 1. I was given a stage lapana, claim something of some value. All of you have got no morals. The reason why you're still staying with this immoral political party is because yourselves are immoral. The reason why you're still defending a president who was caught with dollars in Palapala farm is because you lack morals. You can't come here now and claim to be something of some substance. We know that you have lost morale. You have lost ground, you've misdirected the revolution, and you have caused underdevelopment in the entire nation. We know you guys, you've done and you have killed this nation. There's nothing that can come from you.